What if I told you that long before dolphins ruled the seas, there was a reptile that looked like one, swam like one, and may have been even more efficient? Meet ichthyosaurus, one of the most perfectly adapted marine predators of the prehistoric world. Let's dive into 50 fascinating facts about this incredible creature. 1. Ichthyosaurus means fish lizard. 2. It lived during the early Jurassic period, around 200 million years ago. 3. Despite its name, it was not a fish, it was a reptile. 4. It breathed air, just like modern whales and dolphins. 5. Ichthyosaurs gave live birth instead of laying eggs. 6. Fossils show babies were born tail first to prevent drowning. 7. It had a streamlined, torpedo-shaped body. 8. Its shape closely resembled modern dolphins, an example of convergent evolution. 9. Ichthyosaurus could grow up to about 3 meters long. 10. Some relatives grew much larger, over 20 meters. 11. It had extremely large eyes, among the biggest of any animal ever. 12. Its eyes were protected by bony rings called sclerotic rings. 13. These eyes helped it see in deep or low-light water. 14. It likely hunted both day and night. 15. Its diet included fish, squid, and other marine animals. 16. Fossilized stomach contents confirm what it ate. 17. It had long jaws, filled with sharp conical teeth. 18. Its teeth were perfect for grabbing slippery prey. 19. Ichthyosaurus was a fast swimmer. 20. It probably used a side-to-side tail motion like fish. 21. Its tail had a crescent-shaped fin. 22. This tail fin helped it swim efficiently through water. 23. It had a dorsal fin, though it wasn't supported by bone. 24. Scientists only discovered the dorsal fin from fossil impressions. 25. Its limbs evolved into flippers. 26. These flippers helped with steering rather than propulsion. 27. Ichthyosaurus likely had smooth, rubbery skin. 28. It may have been warm-blooded or partially so. 29. Evidence suggests it had a high metabolism. 30. It needed to surface regularly to breathe. 31. Ichthyosaurus fossils have been found in Europe, especially England. 32. One of the first complete fossils was discovered in the early 1800s. 33. Fossil hunter Mary Anning helped make it famous. 34. Early scientists initially thought it was a fish. 35. Later, they realized it was a reptile adapted to marine life. 36. Ichthyosaurs evolved from land reptiles. 37. They returned to the ocean millions of years before whales did. 38. They are not dinosaurs, though they lived at the same time. 39. Ichthyosaurs are more closely related to lizards and snakes. 40. Some species had incredibly long snouts. 41. Others had shorter, stronger jaws for crushing prey. Fossils show evidence of injuries, suggesting predator interactions. 43. Some may have been prey for larger marine reptiles. 44. Ichthyosaurs may have used echolocation-like abilities, though this is debated. 45. Their inner ear structure suggests strong hearing capabilities. 46. They likely traveled long distances across oceans. 47. Ichthyosaurs went extinct about 90 million years ago. 48. Their extinction happened before the dinosaurs died out. 49. Climate changes and competition may have contributed to their decline. 50. Today, they are one of the best understood marine reptiles, thanks to incredible fossils. From massive eyes to live births and dolphin-like speed, Ichthyosaurus was one of evolution's most impressive experiments. Which fact surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and dive into more prehistoric mysteries.